like at the beginning, I kind of wanted the social interaction when I joined Oracle, but now I don't. I It's not that I don't. I think I get what I need, right? Like I would definitely, for example, I've never met my manager in person. I've never met anyone from my team. The only person I've met in person is Thea when I went to Colorado, right?
Uh-huh.
But we're not even in the same team anymore. So it's still, I think we definitely miss out on the networking in person, but at the same time, we also gain the networking with people that are not in the same location as us, right? Because
Yeah.
sometimes people are like, oh, I network already, and you're only networking with people in Austin, for example, right? But in here, I can reach out to anyone and ask them for help. So I don't think I've missed out on that, and I'm not really scared of actually shooting someone an email or a message and being like, hey, are you fine with meeting with me about this? I saw that you did this and I want to know how you did it. And of course, that's not like a social, like outside of work type of thing. It's more of a, hey, I like what you're doing. Show me how you're doing it. And my social life, I get it from my friends around me, you know?
Yeah.
So it's still balanced, right? But at work, I do prefer working by myself. Or I also have preferences with who I work because there's some people that are very efficient when you work in Zoom, where you can sit down and actually get work done. And then there's other people where you're sitting in Zoom and you're brainstorming, but nothing really is coming out, you know? So that's why sometimes I definitely prefer working alone because I think and I do, you
Yeah.
know?